Okay everyone, this is Noah with Save Green here, and on the screen right now you see that the top left hand side shows that my Wi-Fi is turned off. Then on the bottom left hand corner you can see my LTE mobile data showing that we are indeed in a good area where we're getting LTE service. And then way at the top left hand corner you can see the Mint symbol or the Mint lettering showing we are on the MintSim network. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do a speed test just to see what kind of results we get speed-wise on LTE. So I got my speed test app by Ookla. I'm going to go ahead and begin the speed test and see where we are. So our nearest server is in North Las Vegas, Nevada. And there we are. We're just hovering over 10 megabits per second, which is pretty good. I mean, you can stream video and all that. So I got a total download speed at 15.36 megabits per second. You can see that. The upload speed is not too bad either. Came in at 4.87 or 4.88 megabits per second. So just wanted to do a speed test on the MintSim network to show all of our viewers and subscribers what kind of results we're getting with MintSim on their network. So we do give it 2 thumbs up. And once again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Please subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our Twitter page, which we will provide below the description. Thank you very much for watching.